Number 4 is graph of piecewise function. Graph the following piecewise function. F of x equals 2x minus 1 when x is less than 0. F of x is equal to minus 1 when x is greater or equal to 0. So first find the y-intercept. Y-intercept is simply f of 0, which is equal to y. So that is, when you substitute 0 here, it is minus 1. In the second one, always y is minus 1. So the y-intercept is minus 1. Then find the x-intercept. Then 2x minus 1 is equal to 0. X equals half. 2x equals 1, then x is to half. So that is not in the domain of 2x minus 1. So half is not in the domain. X has to be less than 0. That means x equals half is not included in the domain of 2x minus 1. That means no x-intercept. Okay. Again, I have several videos on how to graph piecewise function using technology TI-84+. Please watch those videos. Please subscribe, share, and like, and ask your friends to subscribe, share, and like.